Hey Jammers, Fuzzy here, back with another video, and today I want to wish you a happy Chinese New Year, as well as a small mail time. Before we start, I'm just gonna count how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll start with this rare snowboarding helmet. Didn't even know that was an item. A solid gold spiked collar. Wow. A friendship mask. I totally wanted that. Ooh, a masterpiece. Can't wait to see this one. I have that. I've had it for weeks now. And the last one, a worn blanket. No. Wait. Yes, it's there. It is there. Am I dreaming? Someone pinch me. Ow. Okay, I'm definitely not dreaming, and someone just gifted me a worn blanket. Shout out to you, Dragon Girl 654. Wait, they're my buddy? I didn't know you were my buddy. You're my buddy? I don't remember buddying you. But anyway, here, have a free shout out. And let's have a look at this masterpiece. Oh, it's one of me! Let's go check this out. Oh, that's beautiful. And it's adorable. And I love it. Shout out to Alizia32. Because that's just so cute and I love it, and thank you. So these are all the items I've got. I think I might change my look a bit. No, I'm not wearing the worn. I'll keep the spike on though. Maybe. Or no, I'll keep my look like this. I really like that one. Thank you. And now on that note, let's end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to everyone who sent me gifts. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.